Hi, this is Marie Lundy with Keller Williams. And so let's face it, buying a home is probably going to be one of your largest purchase in your life, right? So let's talk today, step by step, on how to go about to save for this lofty goal. And so the first step in saving to buy a home is to take a true assessment of your financial life and determine where is your comfort level in terms of a mortgage payment on a month-to-month basis. So taking into account your financial life will include factoring in your car payment, your student loans, perhaps any responsibility that you may have towards your family, perhaps the support of an elderly parent. And so a number of things may come into play. So it's important for you to tabulate what are all of your current expenses, okay? And what is your comfort level in terms of adding on an additional expense, which would be your mortgage. And in this case, it's a long-time commitment as well. And so generally speaking, lenders want to see that your debts do not exceed more than a 43% debt to income ratio. So what that means is that for every dollar that you earn before tax, lenders want to make sure that all of your debts, including your mortgage, your car payment, student loans, and everything we just talked about, that all of those debts do not exceed or less than 43 cents of what you take home, right? So that's what a debt to income ratio means. So they want to keep it under 43% for the most part. Now, after you get a sense of your financial life and you establish your comfort level in terms of your payments, your monthly payments, you want to factor in your down payment. So how much do you want to save, for your down payment? Is it 3%, 5%, 15%, 20%, right? So based on your financial life, also establish a goal for your down payment. You will also need to consider your closing costs in addition to that. So your closing costs will range anywhere from 2 to 3%. To be on the safe side, you should save about 3% of whatever offer you think you will be making on a home. Have that as your closing costs. And lastly, it is a good idea for you to have an emergency fund in case you were to be unemployed for a little while. Ideally, you would want to have about 3 months to perhaps 6 months saved up for your living expenses in case you are in a time frame when you're not working. And so I know this may seem very daunting and a very large task, but keep in mind, hundreds of home buyers each year buy properties right here in the States. So it is feasible and achievable for you as well. The best advice that I can give you is to start planning early, put everything down in writing, and figure out exactly what you'll need to get the ball rolling. In addition to that, while you are working on your saving, you could also work on improving your credit score, which will ultimately benefit you by allowing you to have a favorable interest rate, right? And also keep in mind that there are a number of programs out there for first-time home buyers or buyers that are getting back into the market after 2 or 3 years. A lot of them are considered first-time home buyers as well. And so if you're interested to talk to me about what you can do to make your home ownership dream a reality, feel free to give me a call or a text. Once again, this is Marie Lundy with Keller Williams, here to help.